I'm Mitch Couch with GoodlyEarth.com, and you're watching Hometalk.
For today's project, we're going to start with the cardboard tube. This one is about 12 inches diameter. You can go with a 10 or an 8 inch. You can also use a popcorn tin. It's perfect for something like this. Now, the first thing I did was start with 1/2 inch dowel. I ended up drawing a line using my square up and down right in the middle of the cardboard tube. That's going to be our starter line. That is what we're going to base this on. This is our 1 inch dowel. So the way it's going to work is what we're going to do is use hot glue and put it on the first 1/2 inch dowel. You don't have to go all the way up and down with it, but go ahead and put enough on to get it started. You're going to line up the edge of the first dowel with that line. Once you get that in, you can use this to set all the rest of your dowels. Now, I did put other lines around the tube, and that allows me to see how my progress grows. So, the pattern that I used for this project was I'm going to do 2 small 1/2 inch dowels glued on with hot glue, and then I will put a 1 inch dowel on. So again, you don't have to glue the whole thing up and down, just right on the edge where it's going to stick to the tube. Now see how I push this right up next to the dowel, move it right on over, and it's going to be straight up and down, and it's going to go right to the top. If it sticks over the top of your tube, that's fine. Now see how I got the 2 1/2 inch dowels? The next one is the 1 inch dowel. Run a bead of glue right down the middle, and then what we're going to do is just place it on there right next to the 2 1/2 inch. Again, line it up with the bottom, press firmly, and get it into place. And we're going to do the same with the other side, another 1 inch dowel. So now that we've got 2 1/2 inch and 1 inch, we'll then go back to 2 1/2 inch dowels on each side, and we're going to just work our way around the tube. Again, it doesn't take much glue. Hot glue is amazing. It sticks really well each and every time. And once you start going around, it gets really strong. Next we're going to do is we're going to stain this. I'm going to head and use a dark stain because it's going to match the furniture that I'm going to place this next to. Sometimes you can also use paint, or you can just put like a clear finish on it. That will look good also. Once I put this on, I use a Q-tip to get inside the cracks there, and it's going to look good. I put a tin on this just for the final top, or you can use a round piece of wood. Look how beautiful that is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Thank you for joining us on Home Talk.